Hey guys, Steve Welch here. So Lexland has sent me a tool that I think is going to be really cool. So we are in the middle of August here as I'm producing this, and it is hot. Today it is going to be 100 degrees here in Nashville, and I know some of you guys out west will be like, 100? Yeah, hold my beer, right? I understand that, right? But in Nashville it's pretty hot, pretty humid, and all the fun stuff. Well, when you get a vehicle like this Tacoma, this is built for a Tacoma or a Tundra, and I'm pretty sure you can actually put it in a lot of these vehicles because the size doesn't seem too crazy. But when you have this sunshade retractable that you can have in your vehicle, I think this is going to be a pretty cool thing, and I can't wait to see how it installs. Other than taking it out of the package, I've done nothing else. We're going to take a look at it right now, see how easy it is. So we're at the car right now with the sunshade here, so I'm going to kind of take a look at it here. I did get another package which just has a couple of clips on here, which I'm pretty sure I know where those go. So let's kind of figure this out real quick here. So it looks like we had a couple suction cups. Those look like they kind of pop into either side here. One side, do the other side here. Just pretty hard to put them in there, but I kind of get it. You want them to stay put. Just kind of slide them in there just like that. All right, so we're going to kind of come over here. I'm going to try to fit that as far over as I can so I can kind of angle this down. It obviously would be a lot easier in a Tundra, but they said it's meant for a Tacoma or a Tundra, so let's see if they're telling us the truth here. All right, I see what we're trying to do now. So basically what I'll do is I'll kind of lean this in here and we can kind of see just kind of putting it down there. That's a pretty easy way to do it. It's not exactly level. I can probably get it level by moving this around over here. All right, so we're back in here. I'm going to take these clips and these clips look like they're going to kind of attach to this, right? So now I can level this up if I kind of want to here and just kind of make sure we're kind of leveled up to where this is. But I'm going to pull this, and you see you've got the silver side on the back side and you got black on the front here, right? So basically what I'll do is I'm going to clip this up here, and I'm going to have that right here. All right, so I'm going to do the exact same thing up here, which you can kind of put it anywhere it really looks like, right? So I'm going to put this up here, and then we've kind of got our sunshade all attached here. It's retractable. You can kind of leave it down there, and when you're ready to put it down, you just pull that down and let it retract, pop it back up, and let it block the sun. Now I'm going to do another experiment with a couple other things that I'll do a separate video on to see just exactly how well it works on the inside. So watch for that video as well. But this is the Lexland sunshade. You can definitely get it if you go to Lexland. If you put Welch in the promo code on the end, they're going to save you 20% on it. So definitely want to do that, of course. But take a look at it. I'll put a link in the description there. I thank Lexland for sending it to me, and we'll see exactly how it works. Okay, so I've had the Lexland sunshade in this vehicle for about 5 hours now. So it's been here for a while in the bright sun here. So we definitely have the bright sun, and I wanted to look at, and there's some clouds around, of course, but you still got the sun beating down. So in case you guys wanted to see exactly what the inside temperature was, we got 129.4. So I've done it with a bit of a control over here. So what would it be if it had absolutely no sunshade? Similar vehicle, similar color. 133.5, if you can see in the inside there, 133.5 on that one. These trucks have been shut since I put the Lexland in there. So 133, this one 129, so it saved us about 4 degrees. That's what we're going to be saving on this. So but it does keep the surfaces cooler, stuff like that. So you guys tell me what you think. But that's the exact thing, and obviously it's got the reflective side on there. It also has a black side on there, but the reflective side is going to be what you're going to be using, I'm sure. So Steve Welch here. Hope you guys like it, but if you guys want to get it, like I said, just put my name in the promotion code when you buy it. They've also got other sunshades that you guys can use there too, but just see what you guys think. But they asked me to review it. I've gone ahead and reviewed it and saw saves you about 4 degrees. So you guys tell me what you think. Is that worth buying it or not? But hey, there you guys go. Thanks to the folks at Lexland for sending it to me, and you know, I always like reviewing their products. They seem to have really good products there. So not sure, you know, if 4 degrees is that dramatic, but it is something. So it does save the temperature on the inside of the car. You guys have a good one. Bye.